Hello everyone, David Lewis here, and today I want to talk to you about a comment that I get all the time from salespeople, and it has to do with these BDC leads that come in. Now obviously we have a BDC department because it creates leads and people into the dealership, and a lot of times the BDC department, before the customer has come in, has already selected the car and negotiated the price, and now the customer is just coming in to look at the car and make the final purchase. And as we all know, most of the time this price is cheap. It's a rock bottom price because that's what we had to do to get him in, and I understand that. But here's a major mistake that we're making and how we can actually create more gross on this deal. Old school mentality is to have that car that they have selected prepped, cleaned, washed, ready to go, up front, sitting at the front door, so when the customer comes in, there's the car. Well, you see, that's the mistake. The mistake is the customer's already coming into the dealership. We want the customer in the dealership. But as a salesperson, I want to make gross on the car. And there's only one way I'm going to make gross, and that is if we change vehicles. If we stay on that car, I cannot increase the price that's already been quoted by the BDC. So this is my suggestion. This is what I would do. I would not have that car clean, prepped, and ready to go up front. I would have that car in the line, in the row, with all the other cars similar to that. So that when the customer arrives, remember, now they're there. We know they're there to buy a car. I would walk them out to that row of cars and say, listen, this is the car that you've selected and that you have talked about and we've discussed already on the phone or via email. But before you make a final decision, or before you drive this vehicle, I wanted you to look at all the vehicles, because some of these vehicles here might be a few dollars more, but might have different options and accessories that you might want to have in your car. You see, the goal here is to switch cars. Once we switch cars, we can renegotiate the deal and renegotiate our gross. So again, never have that car up front. I want the car on the lot. You're not going to lose the customer because they're already there. At worst case scenario, they go back to the original car that was negotiated over the phone or via email, and you still have a sale. Best case scenario, we switch cars, we switch price, we create more gross. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.